From raw ore to investment-grade 24K bars, every step demonstrates precision, care, and industrial excellence. Gold begins its journey deep underground, hidden in rocky veins that require careful extraction. Human precision complements heavy machinery, carefully removing gold-rich rock. Every rock is inspected and ore is transferred to trucks, beginning its journey to the processing factory. Heavy machinery moves large quantities safely, preserving valuable ore.
Workers ensure each truckload is free from oversized debris that could damage factory machinery.
Each load travels under careful supervision to ensure ore arrives intact. Upon arrival, every truck is screened to maintain factory safety and integrity. Trucks are positioned carefully to ensure safe ore transfer onto conveyors. Crushing releases gold trapped inside rocks, the first step toward extraction. Crushed ore is gathered for further grinding and chemical treatment. Ore is unloaded methodically, preventing loss and preparing for weighing and screening. Ore is moved to grinding mills to reduce it to fine powder. High-pressure washing ensures maximum cleanliness before mechanical processing. Washing removes surface impurities, preparing ore for crushing and chemical extraction.
Grinding mills break ore into fine powder, exposing gold particles trapped inside rock.
Technicians ensure consistency in particle size, which is critical for efficient chemical extraction.
Consistent particle size ensures efficient downstream processing. Each batch is weighed precisely to monitor inventory and production metrics. Grinding exposes gold particles trapped inside rock, preparing it for chemical extraction. Screening removes non-gold-bearing rocks, ensuring only high-quality ore moves forward. Manual inspection ensures only gold-rich material progresses to processing. Technicians maintain controlled flow to ensure uniform feeding into crushers. Prepared ore enters chemical vats, where gold will dissolve from the surrounding rock.
Chemicals dissolve the gold, separating it from other minerals and rock particles.
Continuous stirring ensures thorough mixing, maximizing gold extraction from ore. Carbon granules capture dissolved gold particles, concentrating them for smelting. Carbon with absorbed gold is carefully extracted, ready for further processing. Flakes are cleaned of chemical residue, preparing them for melting and refining. Gold flakes are melted at extreme temperatures, forming molten gold for purification. Impurities rise as slag, which is carefully removed to maintain 24K purity. Stirring creates consistent melting, preventing imperfections in the final bars. Molten gold is poured into precision molds to form final investment-grade bars. Multiple bars are cast at once, ensuring efficiency while maintaining uniform quality. Molten gold is shaped into initial bars, preparing it for final purification processes. Solidified bars reveal the first tangible form of gold, a step closer to pure 24K metal.
Bars undergo chemical refining using chlorine gas, removing base metals and increasing purity to 99.5%. The Miller process uses chlorine to remove base metals, increasing gold purity to around 99.5%.
Technicians carefully regulate chemical reactions to ensure consistent and precise refining.
Electrolytic refining deposits gold onto cathodes, reaching 99.99 to 99.999% purity.
Electrical currents are carefully controlled to produce uniform, pure gold layers on the cathodes. Gold accumulates slowly, creating the purest metal possible.
Technicians carefully harvest the gold flakes, which will be remelted for final casting.
Cooling must be gradual to avoid cracks, producing smooth, flawless bars.
Controlled cooling prevents cracks and maintains smooth, flawless surfaces.
Polishing removes residue, bringing out the signature shine of 24K gold.
Polishing removes residues, bringing out the signature luster of pure 24K gold.
Bars are transported carefully to stamping stations for authentication. Stamping certifies authenticity and standardizes every bar before storage.
Every bar undergoes rigorous quality checks to ensure 24K purity and flawless finish. Every bar undergoes rigorous final checks to guarantee 24K purity and flawless finish.
Protective packaging prevents damage during storage and shipment, preserving the bar's pristine condition.
Each package is labeled with batch information for traceability and authentication. Securing packages ensures they remain intact during transport to clients.
Each package is labeled for traceability, ensuring accountability throughout its journey.
Bars are organized systematically, ready for secure packaging and transport to clients worldwide.
Bars are transported carefully to secure storage areas within the factory.
Bars are organized systematically in the factory's secure storage vaults.
Continuous surveillance ensures the safety of the factory's valuable inventory.
Bars are systematically arranged for easy access, inventory management, and security. Every bar is logged digitally, maintaining precise tracking from production to storage.
Bars are carefully packaged and stored, ready for safe distribution. Bars are carefully transported to the loading area for safe dispatch. Specialized vehicles handle gold securely, minimizing risk during transit.
Tamper-proof seals confirm that every shipment is safe for delivery.
Strict protocols ensure the safe transfer of gold from the factory to clients worldwide.
Secure transport ensures gold reaches clients safely, maintaining integrity from factory to market.
After a day of meticulous work, the factory rests, having transformed raw ore into polished 24K gold bars.
From raw ore to 24K bars, the journey is precise, meticulous, and awe-inspiring.